Good morning, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at Dhue Charitable Societies, Institute of Pharmacy, Jodhpur, Dhue. As in the previous video, we have studied about adrenergic drugs and adrenergic antagonists which are acting on the sympathetic system. In the similar way, cholinergic drugs or cholinergic antagonists are the drugs which are acting on the parasympathetic system. First, we will study about cholinergic drugs. It is similar as like your adrenergic drugs. Only the difference is that cholinergic drugs mimic the action as like acetylcholine or which brings about the stimulation of your parasympathetic system, because acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter of your parasympathetic system, while adrenaline or noradrenaline is the neurotransmitter of your sympathetic system. Therefore, cholinergic drugs which exert pharmacological actions as like acetylcholine, exert means which produces similar pharmacological actions or which mimic the pharmacological actions of acetylcholine or brings about the stimulation of your parasympathetic systems are known as cholinergic drugs. They are also known as sympathomimetics or cholinomimetics. Example: acetylcholine, pilocarpine, neostigmine, etc. Classification: direct acting cholinergic drugs. In that subclass, acetylcholine and related compounds: acetylcholine, methacholine, alkaloids, pilocarpine, areocholine. Indirect acting cholinergics or anticholinesterase agents. In that subclass A, reversible anticholinesterase. Example: pyridostigmine, neostigmine, physostigmine. Irreversible anticholinesterase, example tetraethylene pyrophosphate, or in short it is known as TEPP. Second one, diisopropyl fluorophosphate, or in bracket in short it is known as DEP, capital D, capital E, capital P, that is diisopropyl fluorophosphate. Then the first drug, that is pilocarpine. Properties: it is colorless crystals, slight odor and a bitter taste. It is soluble in water, in ethanol, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Storage condition: it is hygroscopic in nature and affected by light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used as a meiotic drug to produce meiosis. Then it is also used to reduce intraocular pressure in glaucoma. Third, it is used to counteract anticholinergic side effects like dryness of mouth, impaired vision, constipation, etc. Now in your PNT you have studied that atropine has one major side effect, that is dryness of mouth. If a person to whom atropine drug has been given, if excessive dryness of mouth has been produced, that side effect of your anticholinergic drug can be overcome by giving pilocarpine like drugs. It is also used in treatment of glaucoma. Official preparation: pilocarpine eye drops IPBP, physostigmine and pilocarpine eye drops BP. The next drug, that is physostigmine. Properties: physostigmine occurs as white or faintly yellowish powder, odorless and tasteless. It is soluble in ethanol, in chloroform and in ether, practically insoluble in water. Uses: physostigmine is used in treatment of glaucoma, in treatment of poisoning if it is due to anticholinergic drugs or tricyclic antidepressant drugs. It is used in treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Now what is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disease that destroys memory and other important mental functions. मेमरी डिस्ट्रॉय होते म्हणजे काय, शॉर्ट टर्म मेमरी असते. आता त्याने जे काही यू हॅव सीन द गजनी पिक्चर बघितलाय तुम्ही, दॅट इज शॉर्ट टर्म मेमरी, एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अल्झायमर्स डिसीज. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज ॲज अ मायोटिक. स्टोरेज कंडिशन, it becomes pink on exposure to air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: physostigmine eye drops BP, physostigmine injection IP, physostigmine and pilocarpine eye drops, official in your British Pharmacopoeia. Then the next drug, that is neostigmine. Properties of neostigmine: neostigmine occurs as white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, in ethanol and in chloroform. Practically insoluble in ether. Uses: it is used in treatment of myasthenia gravis. Now what do you mean by myasthenia gravis? Myasthenia gravis is a condition in which weakness and fatigue of muscles takes place. It is also used in treatment of post-operative urinary retention. It is used to promote expulsion of intestinal flatters before radiotherapy of kidney, ureters, etc. It is used to antagonize muscular relaxation due to muscular relaxants used in anesthesia. Storage condition: it is affected by light and atmospheric oxygen, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: neostigmine tablet IPVP, neostigmine injection IPVP. Then the next drug, that is pyridostigmine. Properties of pyridostigmine: pyridostigmine occurs as white crystalline powder, characteristic agreeable odor and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in water, in ethanol and in chloroform. Stability, storage and uses same as under neostigmine. Official preparation: pyridostigmine tablet BP, pyridostigmine injection BP. Here we complete your first part, that is cholinergic drugs or parasympathomimetics or cholinomimetics. Now the second part, that is cholinergic antagonist. I have already explained you the meaning of antagonist. इथे काय करतील हे drugs? They are going to inhibit the actions of your cholinergic drugs or inhibit the stimulation of your parasympathetic system. The drugs which inhibit the pharmacological effects of acetylcholine liberated from parasympathetic postganglionic nerve endings or which inhibit the stimulation of your parasympathetic system are known as cholinergic drugs or cholinergic antagonists. They are also known as parasympatholytics or anticholinergic drugs. Examples: atropine, dicyclomine, benzotropine, homatropine, hyoscine, etc. Classification: Solanous alkaloids: atropine, homatropine, hyoscine, hyoscyamine. Synthetic drugs, according to their therapeutic uses, it is subclassified into 4 classes. First one, anti-ulcer drugs, diphenylene, clindinium. Antispasmodic drugs, dicyclomine, propanthyline. आपले पोट ज्यावेळेस दुखतं त्यावेळेस आपण यूज दिस ड्रग, दॅट इज डायसायक्लोमाइन. Anti-Parkinsonism drug used in treatment of Parkinsonism, that is benzotropine, biperidine. Midratic and cycloplegic drug, that is cyclopentolate, tropicamide, produces a mydriasis effect. First drug, atropine. Properties: it occurs as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is freely soluble in ethanol and in chloroform, sparingly soluble in water. Stability storage, it effervesces in dry air and slowly affected by light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses, it is used in treatment of Parkinsonism, to produce mydriasis effect, in pre-anesthetic medication, in treatment of organophosphorus compound poisoning, in treatment of gastric and duodenal ulcers, in treatment of rhinitis, etc. Official preparation: atropine tablet IPVP, atropine injection IPVP, atropine eye ointment IPVP, atropine eye drops BP, adrenaline and atropine spray BP, morphine and atropine injection BP. Then the next drug, that is homatropine. Properties of homatropine: it is white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is soluble in water but practically insoluble in chloroform. Stability storage and uses same as under atropine. Official preparation: homatropine eye drops BP, cocaine and homatropine eye drops IPVP, homatropine tablet USP. Then the next drug, that is hyoscine. Properties: it is colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, it is freely soluble in water, soluble in ethanol. Uses, it is used to produce mydriatic effect, in treatment of Parkinsonism. Stability storage same as under atropine. Official preparation: hyoscine eye drops BP, hyoscine eye ointment BP, hyoscine injection BP, hyoscine tablet BP. Then the next drug, that is benzotropine. Properties of benzotropine: benzotropine occurs as white crystalline powder, benzotropine occurs as white crystalline powder, odorless and a bitter taste. It is very soluble in water and in ethanol. Uses, it is used in treatment of Parkinsonism. Storage condition: it is a stable compound, therefore stored in well closed containers. Official preparation: benzotropine tablet BP, benzotropine injection BP. Then the next drug, that is biperidine. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, odorless, it is freely soluble in chloroform, practically insoluble in water. Storage condition: it is affected by light, therefore stored in well closed light resistant containers. Uses same as under atropine. Official preparation: biperidine injection BP, biperidine tablet USP. And the last drug, that is tropicamide. Properties of tropicamide: tropicamide occurs as white crystalline powder, odorless, it is freely soluble in chloroform and in ethanol, slightly soluble in water. Storage: it is a stable compound, therefore stored in well closed containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of cyclopelgia and as a mydriatic drug. Official preparation: tropicamide eye drops, which is official in your British Pharmacopoeia. Here in this video we have completed cholinergic drugs or parasympathomimetics or cholinomimetics, their classification, dissemination, and the drugs like pilocarpine, homatropine, hyoscine, hyoscyamin, etc. And cholinergic antagonist, that was the second topic which we have covered in this video, its classification and the different drugs for your study. Here we complete the syllabus of your chemistry second. Thank you.